Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of Google Cloud Command Line Interface and Cloud SDK. SDK stands for Software Development Kit in GCP. Apart from this, I'll show you in lab more details about Google Cloud CLI so that you can easily understand it. Let's get started. Google Cloud CLI. Guys, a GUI allows user to interact with the application by clicking menus, button and icons. You can perform the same operation using CLI, command line interface. And guys, the GCP CLI provides a set of command line utilities that allows you to interact and manage GCP resources, services from your local machines, terminal or command. Google Cloud CLI is a set of tools that you can use and manage resources, application host on Google Cloud. These tools include, guys, the GCP CLI is often used for scripting and automation process. You can write script or use tools like the Bash, PowerShell to automate tasks and workflows and making it easier to manage and operate your GCP infrastructure. Guys, you may manage your resource and app hosted on the Google Cloud by using a collection of tools called the Google Cloud CLI. And the CLI enables you to execute command quickly. This is the advantage of, guys, you can easily execute command using the CLI. CLI is effective at automating the repetitive tasks, and CLI is useful for automating routine operation. These are the advantages, guys, and guys, G Cloud command can be used for the creating GC, GKE, networking and more. As you can see here, some of the important commands are as I mentioned here, G Cloud, and similarly, guys, GS util command can be used for creating cloud storage, bucket and more. And BQ command can be used for creating BigQuery and more. I hope so, guys. Now you can understand what Cloud CLI, Google Cloud Platform command line interface exactly is it. Guys, as you can see here, the basic difference between the Cloud Shell and Cloud CLI in GCP. Google Cloud Platform, the Cloud Shell and the Cloud Shell CLI are both tools are enabled to interact with GCP resources and services, but they have some key difference. Cloud Shell is a browser-based command line interface provided by Google Cloud. It allows you to manage your GCP resources directly from web browser without requiring an installation or the Cloud CLI are known as the Google Cloud command line interface is a set of command line tools provided by Google Cloud. It enables you to manage your GCP resources and interact with the GCP services using commands from your local machine. Guys, I think the comparison between the couple of points I have mentioned here, like accessibility, pre-install tool for the Cloud Shell, and here is a local installation, flexibility and blah blah. These are the basic difference, guys. I hope so now you can understand what exactly the Cloud Shell and Cloud CLI in Google Cloud Platform. Guys, finally just we'll discuss about the what is the Cloud SDK. Cloud SDK stands for Software Development Kits, and in context of CLI command line interface, Google Cloud Platform refers to it is a set of tools and libraries and command line utilities provided by Google Cloud to interact and manage GCP resources and services. Guys, the Google Cloud SDK is a comprehensive package that includes set of tools, libraries, command line utilities for working with Google Cloud Platform. And guys, the some key aspects of the SDK, like as you can see, the command line tools. The SDK provides the necessary command line tools such as gcloud, gsutil and kubectl and others, which enables you to manage the GCP resources and services from your local machine and terminal or command prompt. The SDK includes the client libraries for various programming languages like Python, Java, Node.js, and blah blah. That allows you to interact with the GCP services programmatically in your application. These libraries provide API and function for integrating GCP services into your code. Guys, I hope so. Now you understand exactly Cloud SDK is it. Why use Google Cloud SDK? It easily communicates with the Google Cloud APIs, and it includes library, tools, API for connecting to the interacting with the cloud based services and blah blah. Guys, I hope so. Now you understand Google Cloud CLI and Google Cloud SDK. Guys, based on your requirement, you can use all the things to fulfill your achievement. Guys, as you can see here, the activate Cloud Shell icon. Once you are logged in GCP console, you can access the Cloud Shell by clicking activate Cloud Shell icon at the top right corner of the GCP console. The icon looks like a small command line terminal. Let's click here, guys. The first time you can open the Cloud Shell, it might take a few moments to initialize the environment. After initialization, you will see the command line interface within the GCP console. As you can see here, guys, best choice is, as you can see here, open a new window tab. Just click here, then back to your home page and close it. Guys, now as you can see here the command line interface within a GCP console. You can start using Cloud Shell just like a regular Linux terminal. It comes pre-configured with the necessary tools and credential to interact with GCP services. Guys, we'll enter some Linux command so that you can easily understand it. Now guys, same thing, just write a command ls, then the default readme cloud shell txt file also visible. I hope so now you understand it. Guys, second thing, the environment comes with the Google Cloud SDK pre-installed, so you can use gcloud, gsutil, bq and other GCP command line tools. And guys, gcloud command also you can run here. Gcloud it take a few seconds, guys, and all the CLI command will practice here only, guys, for our upcoming session. Guys, as you can see here, all the image list here, Windows Server image list, that Ubuntu and blah blah SQL 2014 enterprises Windows versions and blah blah, all everything is details visible for that image list here. Guys, I hope so now you understand is it. Then guys, just simply close the terminal here and close here, then navigate to our home page.